Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated crumpled paper background using CapCut. It's a simple way to add a cool textured effect to your videos. First, open CapCut and start by creating a new project. Once you're in, head over to the Stock Materials section on the left panel and expand it. Click on the Background category. A solid color background works great for this effect, but feel free to experiment. Once you've chosen your background, it's time to add the crumpled paper texture. Click on the Effects menu. Using the search bar, look for an effect called Doodle Diary. This effect works well for achieving that crumpled paper animation. Click on the plus button to add the effect. Then head over to the Settings panel. Set the texture to 100 to bring out the crumpled look. For a smoother animation, adjust the speed to 50. Lastly, set the sticker option to 0 if you want to remove any extra elements like text from the effect. You can customize these settings a bit to suit your preferences, but this setup gives a great starting point. Finally, set the duration of your animation to match your background or project needs, and that's it. When you're happy with everything, play through the video to check out your new animated crumpled paper background. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.